Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Sevierville, Tennessee. Of course, the birthplace of Dolly Parton. But we're here for a different reason. We're here for Buc-ees, the largest Buc-ees in Tennessee. I've never been. I'm very excited. Let's go check it out. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that bell. Hit that like. Everything you're supposed to do. I'm horrible at this. But without further ado, if I don't die in the parking lot, which I might, let's go check out Buc-ees. I'm sure you have watched tons of videos on Buc-ees online. I have no idea what to expect. I have some idea what to expect. And let's go. I need a shirt today, and I need some fudge, and some barbecue, and whatever else I can find. This is larger than I thought. I think that means there's fresh beef out. Let's go look. If you don't know, everything is made fresh here every day. Their fudge, their jerky, their meats, their barbecue sandwiches, all their sandwiches. You see all that beef out there? Oh my god, man. Oh my god!
Order 632, your ordinary speaker, 632.
You like this is Bohemian garlic, top seller. So we cut, okay? Free jerky samples, folks. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
This right here is our top seller.
What is it?
Yep, Bohemian garlic.
Thank you.
Here you go, sir. Free samples, sir. You can drop that. There you go. It's our top seller.
Wow.
Okay.
Sorry about eating in front of you. I will need a coffee before I leave. Grocery section. That is exciting. Let's get back to the food and the merchandise. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit overwhelmed. because Buc-ee has arrived.
Of course, you're welcome.
Let's go look at some of the shirts. I need to pick a shirt. And of course, I have to buy some gifts for people. Buy them shirts. Let's go look. If you could put a beaver on it, they have. Of course, our Tennessee to volunteers, which is nearby. There are your Buc-ee pajamas. For your baby Buc-ees. I just went into the restroom. Don't worry, it won't be graphic. It was huge. Imagine a Buc-ee's bathroom. You're right.
That's why they put out the building.
About 30 stalls. I realized I haven't shown you, which I'm sure you know about, the gas pumps. Gas pumps are rating. I think there's like 80 gas pumps, 80, maybe more at this one. I'm not sure. A lot of gas pumps. There's also a car wash over there. Let's get back inside to the fun stuff. I'll buy gas later. Don't worry, I won't film that. Let's go back inside. It's currently 37 degrees out here. Gas here is $2.26. I'm from California, so that is insane. All right, let's go do some more shopping.
$9.52 to order ready for pickup. $9.52.
If you want gifts that don't have Buc-ees on them, they have that too. But why would you? I mean, you're here. Yeah, I saw that.
Mom doesn't want.
All right, I'm gonna go get some food. I'll be back. They're making the fudge over there, the peanut butter fudge. Or nuts.
Nice.
Burritos and tacos. I can't decide what to eat. I had a light breakfast this morning because I knew I was coming here. Oh, brisket. Brisket. As I was saying, I had a late breakfast because I knew I was coming here to eat. I just don't know what I want. Oh crap. Let's watch them make sandwiches. So many choices. Got burritos, tacos. Got their bakery.
Order 1,000.
Let's go look at their gummies and Old Faves. There's so much more here. Everything is labeled Buc-ees. They're geniuses. All their chips, popcorn, jerky. It's all Buc-ees. Who needs a Stanley? We need to have a Buc-ees. Pick 40 tumbler. What about your pet? You say, what about your pet? I lied. It's not for your pet. It's for your kid. It's a kid's tray. I thought it was for your pet. I guess you can use them both. Just goes on and on and on. They're already putting out their Valentine's Day merch. Cinnamon roll candle. I saw cinnamon roll right over here. I'm excited. I'm gonna go look at some more. Be back in a minute. Here's my haul.
Ready for pickup, 506.
I got lots of shirts, lots of brisket. Thanks for watching. That was ginormous. That was crazy. Brisket, amazing, worth it. Got a bunch of shirts for the family. Thanks for watching. Again, hit subscribe, hit like, and we'll see you next time we see where the road takes us.